Benavides, grade 11, age is Mirno. Here is my recorded recitation for oral communication. Intercultural communication. Inter, between or among groups. Culture, the social behavior and norm found in human social. The definition and nature of intercultural communication. Intercultural communication happens when individuals interact, negotiate, and create meanings while bringing in their varied cultural backgrounds. Intercultural communication pertains to communication among people from different nationalities. Others look at intercultural communication as communication that is influenced by different ethnicities, religions, and sexual orientations. Both interpretations show that intercultural communication takes places when people draw from their cultural identity to understand values, prejudices, language, attitudes, and relationships. However, intercultural communication can also be seen as a bargain understanding of human experiences across diverse societies. Here's a general definition of intercultural. Intercultural communication is the sending and receiving of messages across languages and cultures. Are 6 stages, the developmental model of intercultural sensitivity. What is ethnocentric? Ethnocentrism is social science and anthropology, as well as in colloquial English discourse, means to apply one's own culture or ethnicity as a frame of reference to judge other cultures, practices, behaviors, beliefs, and people, instead of using the standards of the particular culture involved. Ethnorelative. Ethnorelative meaning that one's own culture is experienced in the context of other culture. Stages of ethnocentric. First is denial. People in denial stage do not recognize the existence of cultural differences. They are completely ethnocentric in that they believe there is a correct type of living. Second is defense. Blissfully ignorant or of other cultures, they recognize the existence of other cultures, but not their validity. Third is minimization. People in the minimization state of ethnocentrism are still threatened by cultural differences and try to minimize them by telling themselves that people are. First stage, acceptance. In this first stage of ethnorelativism, people begin to recognize other culture and accept them as viable alternatives to their own worldview. Second stage is adaptation. During the adaptation phase, people begin to view cultural differences as a valuable resource because differences are seen as positive. People consciously adapt their behaviors to the different cultural norms of their environment. The last stage is integration. Integration is the last stage in one's journey away from ethnocentrism. In this stage, people accept that their identity is not based in any single culture. One feature of intercultural communication. First is recognize communication behavior which differ from your own. Second is take into account what can influence these types of behaviors. Third is try to analyze how linguistic and cultural communities differ in terms of communication behavior and influencing factors. Of competent intercultural communicators. First, avoid stereotypes, generalization about a certain group. Second, challenge gender norms. Avoid using he and man to refer to a general group of people. To remedy This you may use plural pronouns after write a sentence to avoid using pronouns. The use of his and her is also acceptable. 3. Do not talk down on younger people and the elderly. 4. Be sensitive to the religious practices of others. And last, 5. Be polite at all times. Do not belittle people you perceive to be on a lower social class. Thanks. Have a nice day. Stay safe. Goodbye.